I added an index to speed up a query on a 10 million row table. The query got 3 times slower. Not a fluke, not bad luck, I broke a rule almost nobody teaches you: index selectivity. Watch what happens. Selectivity is just the fraction of rows a value filters out. A column with only 3 possible values, like status, is low selectivity no matter how big the table is. An index only wins when it eliminates most of the table, not a third of it. Here's the actual demo. I built an index on status and Postgres straight up ignored it. That's not a bug, that's the planner doing its job correctly. Why? Reading 85% of a table through an index means jumping between the index and the table page by page, over and over. A sequential scan just reads the disk in order. Below roughly 10 to 15% selectivity, the index almost always loses. So drop the useless index and build one that matches how you actually query. Nobody filters by status alone in production, they filter status plus customer_ID. That composite is highly selective. Same table, same row count, but now the query targeting one customer's shipped orders drops from 340 milliseconds to 4. That's the difference between indexing a column and indexing a query pattern. Column order in that composite index isn't arbitrary either. Equality filters go first, ranges go last. Flip it and the second column becomes almost useless. Now the part everyone skips: indexes aren't free. Every insert, update, and delete has to update every index on that table, not just the table itself. That's write-amplification, and it's silent until your write throughput craters. I benchmarked this directly. Same insert workload, one run with 0 indexes, one run with 5. The 5 index version took nearly 4 times longer, purely from index maintenance. Indexes also bloat over time as rows update and old entries get marked dead. If you're not re-indexing periodically, that fast index quietly gets slower every month. So audit what you have. This query finds indexes that have never once been used by the planner. Most production databases have at least 3 of these sitting around, taxing every write for 0 read benefit. The decision framework is simple: index for the query, not the column. Check selectivity before you create it, check usage stats after. If IDX_scan stays at 0 for a month, that index is pure write tax, kill it. More indexes doesn't mean a faster database, it means a slower one that occasionally reads fast. Treat every index like a trade-off you're paying for on every single write. What's the worst index bloat or unused index disaster you found in your own database? Drop it in the comments.